Hello, students. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Welcome to one more session of your WOC. This is your Vani ma'am. Welcome back, welcome back. All the grade 12 students, hello, how are you all doing? Hope you're all busy writing your pre-board examinations and nothing to worry, relax. Yes. Today we are going to do a very important video. What is it? Shall I tell you the secret or will you wait till the end to watch? Yes, then let's wait and watch the complete video. And my request is after watching this video, I assure you your complete organic chemistry will be there in your hands. So organic chemistry will be there in your hand, in your grip. So this organic chemistry, we will loop it off completely, we'll tie it off and make it into a particular one shot. Yes, let us check a little bit, reveal the secret. Before going into the video, I request all of you to watch the video till the end. Let's start. All the new students, hi, this is Ivani ma'am. Welcome back. Welcome. Let's start. So, before I start, I have a small request. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Vani ma'am always provides free education to all. So, I request all of you to join and I request you to share the video to all. Your likes are very important, students. And I request you to subscribe to the channel also. Let's start. So today, after we watch the video, you would please mention the comment section. I'm going to take up the haloalkanes and haloarenes. Yes, what is it? Yes, I have completely piled up the whole chapter into the concept map. This is your chapter 10 in this particular concept map. All the preparations in your NCERT are discussed clearly. In that, name reactions are also discussed, like Sandmeyer's reaction, even if it is given, Finkelstein discussed, Schwartz discussed, halogenation reaction, and from alkene, reactants, reagents, products, everything. After all the preparations are done, I gradually went into your nucleophilic substitution reaction, both the mechanisms which are there and the stereochemical aspects. Physical properties are discussed. Gradually, I went into the chemical properties with nucleophilic substitution. All are listed, everything. The conversion of alkyl halides to different ethers or esters or ethers and alcohol, cyanides, isocyanides, nitriles, isonitriles, everything is discussed. From there, I also took into elimination reaction. Here I have given an important thing. In aqueous KOH, what do you get? In alcoholic KOH, what do you get? Very important topic also is discussed in this concept map. From there, I took you into the reaction with metal, that is your Grignard's reagent formation. There is one name reaction, cute little name reaction, Woods reaction. So the complete NCERT is there in this page. Yes, students, do you accept this? Nothing. Take an A3 size paper, start writing. The whole chapter will be in your book. From there, gradually, I went into haloarenes. In haloarenes, both electrophilic substitution reactions, all are listed with ortho product and para product. From there, I went into the nucleophilic substitution reaction. There's a question asked, why aryl halides are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution? So that also I have mentioned here, very important. From there, polyhalogen compounds, a part of the chapter for state board students also, chloroform and dichloromethane, important things I have listed. Chapter is over. In 2 minutes, the chapter is over. Easy. Let's come to the next chapter, alcohols, phenols, and ethers. Wow. This chapter is your chapter 11. Again, the whole complete concept map is here, students. Starting from types of alcohols, introduction between alcohols, phenols, and ethers. Then, along with the bond angle questions also mentioned here. From there, preparations from alkenes, from carbonyl compound, Grignard's hydroboration oxidation reaction. Gradually, from there, preparation of phenols also, converting sulfonic acid to phenol, BDC into phenol, cumin into phenol, and your DOS process also I have mentioned here. Along with that, preparations of ethers, dehydration of alcohols with Williamson synthesis, everything is done perfect. After preparations are over, physical properties of alcohols and phenols and ethers are given. Once this page is complete, almost 3 to 4 pages of your NCERT, then I took you into the next topic, that's nothing but chemical properties. You very well know chemical properties, Lucas test is one, Victor Mayer's test is one. From there, chemical properties of phenols, just see here. Now, under chemical properties of alcohols, this is very important, conversion of alcohols to alkenes, aldehydes, Yes, this is given. With different reagents I have given what is formed at what with temperatures. From there, chemical properties, order of acidity is mentioned, reason also is mentioned here. Then reactions of phenols. From the phenol, where suppose if you take concentrated OP directing groups, you get 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Then if you are taking bromine carbon disulfide, ortho product you get. Along with that, there's a byproduct also. And if you take aqueous bromine, you'll be getting tribromophenol, a white precipitate. Like that, Kolb's reaction mentioned, Riemann-Tiemann mentioned, oxidation mentioned. Simply same. Likewise, ethers also. There's a question asked why ethers are less reactive than alcohols. That reason also is given. Then along with that, reactions of ethers are also given here. Reactions of ethers, order of reactivity mentioned, and all the electrophilic substitution reactions are mentioned. Simple as that. Complete alcohols, phenols, and ethers is over. Now, what is the next chapter? The next chapter, which we are going to learn, is aldehydes, ketones, and acids. Little bit lengthy chapter, long weightage is more. So, in aldehydes, ketones, and acids, let's start. This is chapter 12. Check first preparations. Rosenman reduction, Stephens reduction, Itard reaction, Gatterman reaction. And preparation of aldehydes, because you have aldehydes and ketones and acids. So preparation of aldehydes and ketones, where we are converting alcohols to aldehydes. So propanol, propan to all, primary, secondary, and from alkenes to alcohols. Three reactions mentioned. Then carboxylic acids, oxidation process using acidified KMnO4, while alcohols are getting converted to acids. Preparations are over. Then what is the structure of carbonyl group? What is the bond angle? Then your boiling point order, reason is given here. Solubility is discussed. Then insolubility, why it is insoluble also is discussed. All the preparations are over. Name reactions are over. Now we are gradually coming into the next topic, chemical properties. We very well know aldehydes undergo nucleophilic addition reactions. So we have shown with an example of HCN giving cyanohydrin. Likewise, we have converted or we have taken also the formation of hydroxylamine, oximes, hydrazines. Everything is mentioned one after semicarbazides, carbozones, DNP. Everything is mentioned here. Along with that, name reactions like reduction, oxidation, aldol condensation, Cannizzaro reaction, everything is mentioned. Then coming to your carboxylic acids, acidity factor, decarboxylation, halogenation, in that HBZ reaction, everything is mentioned. Ring substitution reaction is what is important, so that is also taken up, and using concentrated sulfuric acid and halogenation, Br2 in presence of FeBr3. All the chemical properties are covered. Nice. Now, amines. Easy students, very easy. Now amines. Amines chapter, you very well know. First important, classification is important. Structure of amines is important. Physical properties, in that they'll ask you, it's insolubility, boiling point, everything is discussed in all these pointers. Then all the preparations, we are converting NO2 using reducing agents to nitro to aniline, amide to amine, nitrile to amine, nitrile again to amine, primary amine and secondary amine. Hoffman's bromide degradation, name reaction, Gabriel thalamide synthesis, name reaction is already given. From there, basic nature is very important in case of amines. So what first, based on the why it is alkyl amines, why they are stronger bases, based on the pKa value, based on the order of the basic nature, in that too, in gaseous state is one, aqueous state is one. Then from there you are taking acetyl group, that reaction, carbylamine reaction with HNO2, nitrous acid, all the reactions are mentioned here. Perfect. Then gradually I took into a distinguishing test between primary, secondary and tertiary. Then from there, I also took into electrophilic substitution reactions, where aniline is getting converted into 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Then conversion of aniline to parabromomine or sorry, parabromoaniline. Yes, step by step conversion I have given. Then nitration reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, different reagents taken also I have shown in that. Easy. Amines, everything is covered in this. Yes or no, students? Yes. After amines, next biomolecules. Oh, yes. Biomolecules chapter is the easiest chapter. In biomolecules, what is important? Yes. In biomolecules, basically first classification is important. It's chapter 14. Then DL configuration is important. Gradually from there, carbohydrates means what? Definition. Gradually in that, preparation of glucose and fructose preparations. Fructose, what actually is the structure? Glucose structure and fructose have what structures are given. Then in proteins, what actually is a protein? What is a peptide bond? What is dipeptide, polypeptide? What is meant by denature of protein? And along with that structure, primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary, all structures. Okay, red is selected. I'll take red again. All structures are done. And then going to the nucleic acids, we have two nucleic acids. One is DNA, one is RNA. The nucleic acid, where it contains a phosphate group, nitrogenous base, ATGC, and uracil also in case. So, in case of your RNA, all the properties are given along with the structures. The complete chapter is given here. Perfect. So, you have a basic understanding of the chapter? Yes. Yes. So, you all know, students. Now tell me. We have completed what? Watching the complete video, we have done haloalkanes and haloarenes. Everything is covered and arenes is covered. Everything is covered. Next, we have covered alcohols, phenols, and ethers. Everything is covered in that. Correct. Now, next, we also have covered aldehydes. We have covered ketones. We have covered acids also. Everything along with the name reactions. Fourth, we have covered amines. And fifth, we have covered biomolecules. Now, like this, I'm also going to send you concept maps for physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry. Now, my request is this particular series is going on. Please mention in the comment section. I request you to mention in the comment section which topic you want me to do. Which topic you want me to do. You see, gradually, Vani ma'am will be sending you handwritten notes also. I'll be sending from my end, I'll be sending handwritten notes. I'll be sending you, it is your request, students. WOC is your channel. So, handwritten notes I'll be sending. Whatever is your request, please mention in the comment section. So, how did you love this particular video? Please comment. Yes, what is your requirement? Also comment. Alright. So thank you so watching. Thank you so much for watching. I request you all to again like the video. Yes, then only your support, students, your support WOC can reach many lakhs and millions. Like the video, please share the video. I don't expect anything from you, just a small like, and I request you to subscribe to the channel. Yes, subscribe, because but every day WOC has done already 7.k videos. Yes, and these 7.k videos are everything for you students. Stay connected. Grade 10th, 11th, 12th, JEE and NEET students, stay connected. Signing off with a smile. Bye bye. Take care. I'm waiting for your comments. Take care.